skeleton rendering, body mapping, visual body review calls. What in the hell am I talking about? I almost fell for a potentially very dangerous scam that could have landed me on the wrong side of the internet. And then he was like, okay, can we move forward with the next part of the call? It's a video review call. I said, okay, what do you want me to do in that call? I acted like I'm very interested in the brand. Okay. So I said, what do you want me to do in the call? They told me that before getting into a video review call, he will send me an email that I need to send a confirmation on that I'm okay with it and I am proceeding with it. I have to send him that acknowledgement and then he will proceed with the call. So he said that we will be off this Google Meet and I will send you a new link. I was like, okay, shady. This was another red flag. I don't know the count of red flags anymore. I think fifth. This was the fifth red flag. And then came the email. It said that I still don't know what it meant. It said that there will be no body and no face reveal. We will not be capturing any of it. We will just be capturing skeleton rendering. We will do body mapping to see how your body is, and you don't have to wear baggy clothes. You have to wear something that is tight, that fits your body, and there will be no face at all. So you just have to stand in front of the camera where your entire body is visible, and there will be this link, something bureau, something BBB, something. The link was like that, and you need to go on that website, and that's where we will connect, and it's not a Google Meet call. And I was like, what the hell is this? That is the first time I heard about skeleton rendering and body mapping and all that shit. And I was like, oh my god, this is what they are trying to do. Innocently reply him back that what is skeleton rendering? I don't know what is it. Can you explain me? And then he aggressively responded in a very bad English that, hey, ask any brand. Skeleton rendering is very normal nowadays. We don't capture your body, we don't capture your face, we just need your skeleton mapping or body mapping or whatever it is called. And then he's like, confirm it right now. Again, he created that urgency, that confirm it right now. I have so many calls to take. I have other creators waiting, lined up, whatever. So he's like, confirm it right now, confirm it right now. And I just blocked that entire email there and then, because that's when I draw the line that I don't want to go any further into this scam just for the sake of it. And then I started searching about skeleton mapping or skeleton rendering. I still don't know if that's the correct term or not, but the term is vaguely used to create a map structure for you. So it will render every feature of your body. It will map every points of your body without even you being there. They can create any kind of videos, any kind of photos. So it's very easy for you to end up on the wrong side of the internet. Any kind of photos and videos which look much realistic than the AI or morphed videos that were created earlier, this would look exactly like you, because they will render or they will map each part of your body, how it looks, how your features are, everything. And it is so dangerous. Imagine if somebody is going through with it, and I don't know that a lot of people would see tiny mistakes like one alphabet is missing from the email, or the English is bad, or they are creating this fake urgency. They are showing that money power, that they're going to pay me so much and so much. And any new creator who doesn't know that this is kind of scams that goes on very common